Hey guys, today I'm gonna be playing Pixel. Not really playing Pixel, but just opening chests to see what I can get. So we got a free chest and we got 34 gems just to spend on it. I've been saving up my gems. I'm just gonna, oh, is this, oh, stickers. Okay, let's open now. For each gun I get, I want one like. For each gun I get. Also, down in the comments, write down what else you want me to try and play. Ooh, a cape. Hitman cape. I'll look at stuff. All I remember is I've gotten Hitman cape. That's the only other thing. Hitman cape. And more stickers. Dang. Already had that sticker pack. Coins. Seek something good. Anything? Coins. Gems. Okay, more gems. Open now. Oh, gold coins. Not one weapon. We got 19 gems left. Oh no, that's for the sandbox. Five gems. And I just keep getting gems. I want them guns. Yo, can we get one like for getting a fire orb? That's one weapon we got. That's one more weapon. Oh, I really want the golden friend. Whatever it's called. Okay, guys. Blow into it. Oh! Another good thing. Great samurai helmet. I got in a cape, a helmet, and a weapon. Really? Come on. See, 2 free spins. Let's see if I can get anything. Oh. Dang. Oh! 50 coins? Oh, dang. That was good, man. Oh, boots. I think I have these boots. I don't know. Oh my god, more gems? It's a lucky man. Maybe I'll get something good. Oh my god. Three free spins. More. This is gonna be a long chest opening. 50 coins? All 3. And after this, I'm just gonna see what I can buy in the shop with everything. Okay? We got 3 more spins after this one. Oh, never mind. Guys. Oh my god, guys. I just got 10 gems. I'm gonna end out with no gems. I'm not gonna stop. 3 coins. You guys can tell me if you want me to do gameplay. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do gameplay. Okay, more gems. Okay, guys. Oh my god, so many gems. Come on, something good. Ooh, boots. Wait. I'll get the Hitman cape last time. Don't. Okay. Roll. I think this is... Oh, I got a mask. I thought it was something for the sandbox. Oh, one more spin if I don't get, like, gems or free spin. Oh, what do you do? I can do 2 more spins. Come on, gun. I want a gun right now. If I get a gun, I will... Oh! Another mask. We're gonna go look at everything I've gotten. Ow, my toe. 10 coins. Now we're broke. Whoa, I look weird. Okay, let's look at my boots. Where? Oh, I got a new melee. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Increases movement speed, melee, weapon damage, and jump height. Primary weapon damage. We'll do that. What about mask? Increases movement speed. Accelerates movement speed with weapons from primary core. Ooh, I might wear that. Increases the chance of ignoring a headshot if you're holding a weapon from sniper category. No, I'm gonna wear that one. Cape? What about the Hitman cape? Don't look at my cape, it's ugly. Well, that's for an ordinary armor regeneration. Increases weapon damage from backup category. Oh. I think I'll do that. I think I'm gonna do backup category. I think I'll use this for now. Boots. Increases the armor supply. Accelerates movement speed with weapons. No, I'm not gonna do these. Wait, which ones are my... Did I... Oh, no. Dang it, I accidentally bought those boots. Now I'm broke on coins. Okay, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. That's gonna be the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. Comment what else you want me to do. But see you guys.